They're up there, Muff. They're up there. You know where they're at. You know you could just hop on the chair and get them, right? Go on. Go on, Muff. Go on. There's more. There's more. You're gonna have to get on the chair eventually, but not if you have anything to do with it, huh? Gotta move those a little bit closer. There you go, baby. Oh, wow. So smart. Yeah. Oh, okay. One more. Right there. Move right over there for you. One more. Alright. Oh, you didn't fall. Still up there. It's still up there, Muff. It's still up. Muffin. Look again. It's still up there. Alright. Oh, it's just like, forget it. I'm just going to eat it up here. Good job, baby.